Welcome back to your regularly scheduled daily dose of adventure, something adventurous. I'm William Pierman, and I'm here with Dan the Man at the home base of Something Adventurous. And today, we're going to be cutting down a dead pine tree. We're going to be felling this bad boy. This one, not that one. That one right there. Yeah, that one. Hopefully once we get this tree on the ground, we'll be able to use this solid pine log as a practice piece for the Alaskan Sawmill. We have not milled any slabs yet, so we're hoping that this will act as our test piece and we'll get all the kinks out on this log. We got Dan the Man checking out the traction our first episode is gaining. If you haven't seen it yet, go on YouTube and look up Osage Orange Logging with the Steel 661. You can get in on the action from the beginning. So, safety first, head protection, eye protection, and we've moved all vehicles out of the danger zone. We've got all our hardware set up now. We've got a line running from as high up the tree as we could reach to a snatch block down the hill pulled by the tractor, which we have set up to add a little extra control to this cut. We decided to do a Humboldt cut, which should provide the most control in felling the tree. This cut is characterized by a radius cut at the bottom and a straight cut at the top, which will then allow us to maintain 10% of the tree as hinge wood right here, which will compress as the tree is falling and, in theory, control the direction of the tree. This will also slow its descent and minimize the chances of this dead tree breaking into multiple pieces. If everything goes well, we should be able to lay this tree down right in this clear area that we have set up here with minimal collateral damage. But as I've said before, we're not professionals, so I would not consider doing this yourself. So we're gonna do a Humboldt cut, see if we can lay this baby down and see how it goes. We're about halfway through the cut now. Did the first cut with the 261. It was big enough to do the first cut, so we're going to switch to the 661 for this second bottom cut. All right, now we've got our Humboldt cut done. Cleaned this up a little bit with the chisel. Got this nice hinge cut right here. Now we're gonna come in from the back and hopefully leave 10% of the tree to direct it down the hill. It's all in one piece. Didn't hit the workshop. Didn't even hit these two trees. Couldn't have gone better.
Well, amazed myself. That's right where I wanted it. You got to pay attention when you're doing something like this and think about everything. And I don't know if this is perfect or not, but it went right where I wanted it, and everybody was safe. So
we got the tree down. This is exactly what we were looking for out of the Humboldt cut. You can see here we've got our hinge wood left intact. These little pieces are exactly what you want to compress and control the fall of the tree. Down here you can see we've got the same thing, our hinge cut, and we took her down. Now it's up to the Alaskan mill. We're back, folks. Kyle's here now, and we are currently rigging up the 661 in the Alaska chainsaw mill. We've got the tree cut up now into about 10-foot sections. Here we have an aluminum ladder that we'll use for the first cut. We drilled 2 holes in the steps so we can secure it to the log, and this will allow us to get our first cut from the mill. We'll take the top off and then we'll have a flat surface to mill from going down. We're taking a tape measure to measure the farthest distance from the surface of the ladder to the surface of the log to get our first cut, and we're almost ready.
We helped each other in the beginning.
First cut on the Alaskan Sawmill. We've got a flat surface on this log here to cut from. We've got one pine slab, first of many.
Slab it, and then we'll band it all together. Let it dry a couple days. It won't take long. Then we'll have another bench here.
We've got 2 more slabs cut after that first top cut. They're beautiful 3-inch, 10-foot pine slabs. That'll be great for making bars or tables or whatever else. Now, this slab is about 1/3 of the log that I'm sitting on right now. We're gonna cut off 6 feet off the end of this one to be used for a bench or something like that, and we're gonna take another slab off this side right here. The Alaskan mill is performing great, and yeah, that's all I got for now. There you have it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you maybe learned a little something about how to fell a tree or how not to fell a tree, or how to use an Alaskan sawmill. As you can see, we processed this small section of that large pine tree. We've still got a whole lot more to work with here, but hopefully we can turn it into some beautiful furniture. Thank you all for coming on this adventure with us, and hope to see you in the next episode when we turn these slabs into some beautiful furniture and see what we can do with it. Until then, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Helps us a whole lot, helps us to bring you guys on bigger and better adventures all the time. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.